Oh, yay! Another BARKBOX for Dexter. Welcome to Dexter's May 2022 BARKBOX unboxing. May is a special month because it's Dexter's birthday. He just turned 2 years old. I can't believe it, but this actually came on his birthday, so let's open it up. So this is his monthly dog toy and treat subscription box that he's been getting for a long time. He loves it. He's good at his unboxings now. So this is Boops and Scoops theme. Oh my gosh, cute! A little, like an ice cream truck. They always come with adorable themes. They're always different. There's never been a repeat. And he gets 2 toys, which you just saw. He went right for the toy. What did you get there, honey? Like a dessert treat toy? That is so cute. Let's see what else he got in the box here. Oh my gosh, the other toy, I took the tag right off, is this ice cream cone, like a melted ice cream cone. That is so cute. And then there are 2 big bags of treats. Let's see the kinds of treats he got. Clucky Yummies chicken recipe. He likes all of the treats that he has gotten. So here you can see what those look like. And then he also got gobble jerky bars. I mean, they all start to seem the same after a while because you get a lot of the repeated treats, but he likes them all. They all seem great. And then you also get, oh my gosh, I think this is the same chew he has gotten for several months in a row. They used to change it up, but for some reason he keeps getting these ones. That's so funny, but he does like them. This comes with a few different small chews in here. And then you can see Dexter tearing up the tag, which I probably need to take away from him. But all of the different toys that come in the box this month. And I love this theme. The ice cream theme, so cute. And Dexter loves the little dog ice cream cups. So this is such an adorable box this month. And I mean, he's loving that tag more than the toy, but I'm sure he's going to love everything he got and be playing with it all day long now. So I'm gonna end the video here so I can go take that tag away from him. He just loves to shred up paper towels, napkins, anything like that. But thank you so much for watching this unboxing today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video.